Hi, I'm Ryan.
And I'm Rodden.
Welcome to the Sierra Natural Science Grow Channel.
Let's go have some fun.
And welcome to our first Grow Along episode.
We're geared up and ready to garden.
That's right. Are you ready at home too?
Here's what you'll need.
Soil, a spade, gloves, and pots or plots. Plots meaning the area of ground you've prepared for your garden.
And last but not least, the 5-star Grow Kit.
Of course! And if you haven't gotten yours yet, there's still time to order your own Grow Kit. You can order it by clicking the link in the description below this video.
Now let's go check out the garden.
Ta-da! This season we're growing tomatoes, bell peppers, and zucchini. And we've planted them in large pots over here.
Now, Ripe, do we like full sun, no sun, or partial sun?
Personally, as a tomato, I prefer full sunlight. But that depends on the type of plant you're growing. Learn more about each type of plant you've got so you know how much sun they'll need.
Let's get this show on the road. Ready to mix the 5-star recipe?
Let's do it! Hey, helping hands! Could we get a hand over here? Grab your Grow Kit and fill a gallon jug with water. Refer to your feeding schedule for how much to fill in your syringe. This week, we're in the seedling phase.
And mix it up.
Boy, Rotten sure knows how to mix things up.
Wait a minute. What happens if I run out?
Oh, don't worry. It's easy to order more. All you gotta do is visit sierranaturalscience.com to order your refill pouches.
Easy peasy.
Now let's get to watering. Or wait, feeding. Or watering. It's both! Thanks, helping hands!
Now let's see how these little fellas measure up. The tomatoes are 12 inches high, the bell peppers are about 6, and the zucchini are looking good at 4.
Duly noted, Rotten. We'll be back next week to see how much they've grown, and check for any pests or disease, and to mix and water in the 5-star recipe.
And you can do the same at home.
Get your very own Grow Kit and tune in next time. You can find a link in the description below.
If you haven't already, get your Grow Kit and join the Grow Along.
And remember to check in on your plants throughout the week. Depending on the weather, you may need to water them more often.
And for best results, water in the 5-star recipe 1 to 3 times per week.
So until next time, like this video, hit subscribe, and watch more videos. And to learn more, visit sierranaturalscience.com.
See you later.
Bye for now.